Hello, it's Lee here from Fine and Country. Now I've got a real treat for you today. We're at Green Acres, New Barnstable Road in Ilfracombe. This has got to be one of the very finest properties of its type in the area. It's a fantastic, beautifully refurbished, remodelled 4-5 bedroom detached family home set in its own lovely landscape gardens and grounds of just over an acre. Now there are fabulous views in every direction you look here, and this property is done to very high specification, perfect for modern day family living. So let's go and take a look inside now. So here we are then, we're inside Green Acres now, and the first thing that hits you when you walk into this fantastic house is this space. Look at this hallway, it's magnificent, and the full height here really exaggerates that feeling of space. Now this is a great area for whatever you like. The accommodation here is extremely versatile. It's very modern and perfect for family living. So we're now in the heart of the home here. This really is a magnificent, very spacious room, as you can see in behind me here. Now of course at the moment there's no furniture here. This property has never been lived in, so everything in it is brand new and untouched, ready for you, the new owner. Now this room is great for family living, it's great for entertaining. There's plenty of room in here for the dining table, for the sofa, and you've got the seamless connection with the outdoor space here from the deck at the side and also the front patio. Now the accommodation on the ground floor is also very versatile. Across the big hallway there, we've got another TV room come snug. There's an office or a ground floor bedroom, whichever you choose. There's a ground floor toilet, and for practicality, there's a utility room with direct access onto the rear garden as well. So as you've seen, as we've been around this magnificent house, there really are fantastic views pretty much from every window, right out over the town towards the coast and the distant Welsh coast. Now we're up on the first floor now, and that theme continues up here. The space is again very evident the minute you get to this huge landing. This is like another room and could be used for a variety of different things. Now on the first floor we've got 4 very generous sized bedrooms. The master bedroom's got its own dressing room and its own really well-appointed ensuite shower room. There's another second bedroom also with its own ensuite, and 2 further double bedrooms at the rear, as well as a beautifully appointed family bathroom. Now Green Acres sits in its own beautifully landscaped gardens and grounds of just over 1 acre. Now there's a lot of privacy here, yet it's still easily connected to all of the local amenities. The property is approached via its own private driveway, which sweeps up through the grounds to a large parking and turning area for several vehicles and onto a large double garage with an electrically operated door. Now the front garden is beautifully designed. It's laid to lawn, and there's a lovely big pond in the front garden which adds a lot more atmosphere to the gardens as well. The views from all around in the gardens are a spectacle to be seen from anywhere you like. Now this fantastic deck seamlessly connects with the main living space and is a great space for outdoor dining, a barbecue, sunbathing, whatever takes your fancy, and again you can soak up those magnificent views. Now there's a great deal of scope and potential within the grounds here. On the far side there's another garage block which has got plans and ideas already drawn up for redevelopment. Now there's a couple of options here. The garage could be knocked down and remodelled and made into a lovely big double garage with a pitched roof. Alternatively, there's a possibility, subject to planning permission, to put a 2-storey building there with garages on the ground floor maybe a studio above, or even turning it into a separate unit of ancillary accommodation perfect for an elderly or dependent relative or dual family occupation. So we're now in the rear gardens, and as you'll see, there's been great care and attention here to landscape these gardens into beautiful usable areas. There's a lot of planting in here which adds a lot of colour and atmosphere again to the rear gardens. Now there's lots of places to sit and enjoy here. Immediately at the rear of the house we've got another large decked area with the sliding doors leading from the large entrance hallway there that seamlessly connect indoor and outdoor living. The gardens here are perfect for children to run around in, to grow plants, vegetables, whatever it is that takes your fancy here. And of course, again, we've still got those magnificent sea and coastal views. There's sun here to enjoy right the way through the day, and some magnificent sunsets out over the bay as well of an evening. So there we are, that is Greenacres, New Barnstable Road in Ilfracombe, a magnificent house. This contemporary design really is perfect for modern day family living. You've got the 4 bedrooms, you've got the versatile ground floor accommodation, you've got the fantastic landscape gardens and grounds, and of course don't forget those outstanding sea and coastal views. Now to come and view this one physically, and I'm sure that's going to be a priority for you, please do call us on 01 271 869 112. Many thanks.